And a new video shows Saudi warplanes trying to intercept an Iranian civilian aircraft that was on its way to deliver humanitarian aid to the war-ravaged Yemen. The footage recorded on mobile phone by the Iranian pilot shows Saudi fighter jets following the plane closely. The Iranian aircraft had received permission to fly to Yemen via the Omani airspace to deliver urgently required medicine for those injured in the Saudi aggression on Yemen. Saudi jets bombed the airport, preventing the Iranian aircraft from landing. Iran's foreign ministry spokeswoman, Marzia Afgham, has slammed the Saudi move as an inhumane and spiteful act.